Now, since launching MI300 less than 2 years ago, we're on an annual cadence of new Instinct accelerators. With the MI350 series, we're delivering the largest generational performance leap in the history of Instinct. And we're already deep in development of MI400 for 2026 that is really designed from the ground up as a rack-level solution. So today, I'm super excited to launch the MI350 series, our most advanced AI platform ever that delivers leadership performance across the most demanding models. This series, you'll hear us talk about the MI355 and the MI350. They're actually the same silicon, but MI355 supports higher thermals and power envelopes so that we can even deliver more real-world performance. And thank you, Drew. My favorite part. Here is MI355. This is our flagship product, and I'm showing this to you. It's powered by our latest 4th-gen Instinct architecture. It supports new data formats like FP4. It uses the latest HBM3E memory, and it has 185 billion transistors across 10 chiplets, all integrated with our leadership 3D packaging. So what do you guys think? All right, thank you, Drew. Look, the MI350 series delivers just a massive 4x generational leap in AI compute to accelerate both training and inference. With an industry-leading 288 gigabytes of memory, we can now run models up to 520 billion parameters on a single GPU. The MI350 series also uses the same industry-standard UBB8 platform as MI300 and MI325. This is actually really important, because it actually makes it super easy to deploy MI350 series into existing data center infrastructure. Now, if you look at the specs compared to the competition, 355 supports 1.6x more memory and delivers higher flops across a wide range of AI data types. And especially if you look at FP6 and FP64, we're double the throughput. Now, what does that mean? That means that you have leadership performance at both ends of the spectrum, whether you're talking about leading-edge AI models or large-scale scientific simulation or engineering applications. Now, at the platform level, an MI355X server has massive memory capacity and compute relative to the competition. We're talking about 161 petaflops of FP4 compute and 2.3 terabytes of HBM3E memory. And we have it in both air-cooled and liquid-cooled configs, giving customers the flexibility to meet their specific thermal, power, and density needs. Now let's look at some of the performance. We set an ambitious goal with MI350 series to deliver a 35x generational increase in AI performance. And today, I'm proud to say that we've delivered that. On Llama 3.1, MI355 delivers 35x higher throughput when running at ultra-low latencies, which is required for some real-time applications like code completion, simultaneous translation, and transcription. We also deliver significantly higher performance across a wide range of AI applications, things like chatbots, or content generation, or summarization, or conversational AI. We can see performance up to 4.2x higher gen on gen. And now when you look across a wide range of models, we see great performance as well. In DeepSeek and Llama 4 Maverick, we're seeing things like triple the tokens per second, gen on gen. So that level of performance drives faster responses and the ability to serve more users with much, much greater efficiency. Now let's take a look at the competitive performance. When running DeepSeek R1 or Llama 3.1, MI355 delivers leadership throughput using open source frameworks like SGLang and VLLM. We're generating up to 30% more tokens per second compared to B200, and actually matching the performance of the significantly more expensive and complex GB200, even when the competition is using their latest proprietary software stack. This is actually pretty cool, because it tells you a couple things, right? It first says that we have really strong hardware, which we always knew, but it also shows that the open software frameworks have made tremendous progress. to the point where they are outperforming a closed vendor-specific ecosystem. And when you combine all of that performance with lower CapEx, what we're seeing is MI355 can deliver up to 40% more tokens per dollar than competing solutions. %40 more tokens per dollar. That means higher throughput, greater efficiency, much better TCO for cloud and enterprise, and it really makes MI355 the best choice in the industry for